Hello folks, this is Steve AB4EL. I'm out by the side of the house in amongst the grass, and I want to show you this. This is Lyreleaf Sage. Lyreleaf Sage. The shape of the leaves. Now this plant is all by itself. I want to show you how it looks here. You can see the long, it has a square, hairy stem. I love the color. This is one of my favorite springtime flowers. We've got a breeze today. Now, I have cultured these. Let me take you out to my weed patch that passes for my lawn. Here's what it looks like in bright sunlight. And typical, especially when they're crowded, you see the red or purple tinge. And the shape of the leaf is a little different when they're crowded. But can you see how many I have here? I could graze cattle on these. I could graze cattle on them. Now, you see how many buds there are? I have so much of this stuff. They're really crowded. Here's some nice ones. I love the color. And we'll see the shape of the leaf. It looks a little different than the one that's all by itself, right? You see? I love the color. And overall, they make so many flowers and so many seeds, which is why I have so many of them. Lyreleaf Sage on this beautiful, windy, breezy spring day. Steve AB4EL, just loving nature, saying see you in 73.